One thing you would have observed that in between the two main sculptures in the front projection, artisans have placed group of 3 to 5 sculptures of figurines, dancers and musicians in different poses. You can observe this when you go around the temple. The next main sculpture that you see is of Lord Shiva. If you observe carefully, you will see skeleton-like figures around the statue. As you are aware, Lord Shiva is destructor of life in life cycle. So you see him in a burial cremation ground with corpses. This is Kal Bhairava, holding the face and neck portion of Lord Brahma. Just around the corner, after the Kala Bhairava sculpture, you will come across another Shiva statue which is depicting a scene where Lord Shiva is slaying an elephant-faced demon, Gajasura. A dynamic relief carving of Shiva's jubilant dance of triumph after killing the elephant demon Gajasura. Having flayed the elephant, Shiva has held its skin in his outstretched hands and is dancing a tempestuous dance posture. The exaggerated twist of his body dynamically conveys his frenzied movements. As you walk to your left, you will see a miniature shrine-like structure which is just a projection of the temple structure. You will find another beautiful carving of Shiva and Parvati sitting on Nandi. Please go around the structure and look at the other side of the wall. You will find another such sculpture. While going around, you will find 3 more such structures, and on each of them you will find Shiva and Parvati statues in sitting posture on both sides of the walls. On the adjacent wall, you find a creature which has the face of a boar and the body of a man. This is the 3rd incarnation of Lord Vishnu. In this scene, Varaha incarnation is slaying demon Hiranyaksha and saved goddess Earth. You can see that Varaha is trampling Hiranyaksha's head with his foot. Because of this immense force of the foot, Hiranyaksha's eyeballs are popping out. Thumbs up for the artist's imagination. You can also see that Lord Vishnu is slaying another demon with a sharp object. Just next to Varaha statue, just around the corner, you see a statue of Lord Rama holding a bow in his hand. Just next to this, you find a group of 3 statues. 2 of them are playing a musical instrument, and the 3rd one is in a singing posture. On your left, you will find another statue of Shiva dancing powerfully on the body of a demon, which he tramples underfoot. This is Lord Shiva's act of killing demon Andhakasura. A fierce manifestation of Shiva dancing on the corpse of the demon. Shiva holds multiple weapons, a snake-entwined skull staff, and a damru or classical Indian hand percussion instrument. You can observe a corpse on the right edge of the statue. At the upper right corner of the sculpture, Shiva spears a small enemy with his trident. You can also see Nandi at the feet of the demon who is lying down. The immediate next sculpture around the corner is of a fierce man-lion creature. This is the 4th incarnation of Lord Vishnu called Narasimha. In this scene, Lord Vishnu is slaying demon Hiranyakashipu. You can see the demon on the lap of Lord Narasimha. The next main sculpture is another form of Shiva which is at the corner. This is of Ardhanarishwara, or God Shiva who has anatomy which is combined of both male and female bodies. Just around the corner, you will find a sculpture where fierce goddess Kali or Durga is killing a buffalo-faced demon. This is also known as Mahishashura Mardini. On your left, you will come across second miniature shrine-like structure which is just a projection of the main temple. Keep walking towards your left, cross this projection. As you cross, you will see Shiva and Parvati sculptures. in sitting posture on both sides of the wall. As you keep walking, you will see couple of other Lord Shiva statues and then another statue of Lord Narasimha. If you observe carefully, demon Hiranyakashipu is on the lap. Two hands of Narasimha have pierced the abdominal skin of the demon and got the small intestine out of the body. If you observe the right bottom corner, you will see that Narasimha is attacking the other demons who have come for help. On the left bottom corner, you will see Prahlad standing with his hands pressed together. The statues of Narasimha, Varaha, Rama, Krishna repeat many times on the walls of the temple. I will point them out for your reference when we cover them. Just around the corner, you will find a statue of Lakshmi who is standing on 3-layered lotus flowers. On the other side of the corner, you will find one more statue of Shiva killing another demon. This is another sculpture of Lord Shiva slaying Andhakasura, or the demon of the dark. As you move towards your left, you will come across another mini shrine or the projection.